Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about selling your Bitcoin in the Cash App. So from the home page of Cash App, what you want to do is go to the bottom tabs area, and just to the right of the home page, there's going to be a tab that you can click on that'll take you over to your investments and your Bitcoin. So we're going to click on that. And that takes us over to our investing page. Make sure you have Bitcoin selected here at the top. You're going to have the current value of your Bitcoin in this area, and then just simply go down and find where the sell button is and click on that. And then you have to decide how much of your Bitcoin you want to sell. Let's just say I wanted to sell $5 worth, so I'd click on that option here. If you wanted to sell all of your Bitcoin, of course, just click the sell all option. Or if you want to do a specific amount, just click the three dots right here and enter in exactly how much Bitcoin that you'd want to sell. After doing that, click next. And then for security purposes, you're going to have to enter in your Cash App PIN. And then after you successfully do that, it's going to take you over to the confirmation page, where it's going to show how much Bitcoin that you're selling, the exchange rate, the sale amount, and the fee that applies to the sale, and then the total proceeds. And all you have to do at this point is click at the bottom where it says confirm. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the steps on how you go about selling Bitcoin in your Cash App. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.